How can you tell the difference between male and female greater sage-grouse? Have you ever wondered how to tell apart male and female greater sage-grouse? These birds are fascinating, and understanding their differences is essential for conservation efforts. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about size. Male greater sage-grouse are significantly larger than females. Males can reach about 30 inches in length and weigh up to 7 pounds. In contrast, females average less than 23 inches long and weigh around 4 pounds. This size difference is one of the easiest ways to identify them. Next, consider their shape. Males have a more robust and rounded body, especially noticeable during their mating displays. When they puff up their chests and fan their tail feathers, they become even more distinctive. Females, on the other hand, have a slender and less conspicuous shape. Now let's look at their color and markings. Males have a striking black head and throat, complemented by a fluffy white ruff on their breast. During courtship, males inflate to large yellow air sacs on their chests, making them stand out even more. Females lack the black head and throat and do not have these inflatable air sacs. Their coloration is generally muted, helping them blend into the sagebrush habitat where they nest. Behavior also plays a key role in distinguishing these birds. Males perform elaborate mating displays on lekking grounds. They puff up their chests, fan their tail feathers into a starburst shape, and produce unique sounds by inflating and deflating their chest air sacs. This display is all about attracting females. In contrast, females are more secretive, focusing on nesting and raising their young. Additionally, males have broader wingspans and longer pointed tails compared to females. The feathers on the sides of their neck are stiffened and drawn across during displays, creating a brushing sound. Females have more subdued feather patterns without the dramatic black and white contrasts seen in males. Understanding these differences is vital for bird conservation efforts. Protecting the lekking grounds where males display is critical for the species' reproduction and survival. The males' conspicuous displays make them more vulnerable to predators, which is why females tend to live longer. Conservation strategies often focus on preserving the sagebrush habitat that supports both the males' display areas and the females' nesting sites. By knowing how to tell the difference between male and female greater sage-grouse, we can better support the conservation of this iconic bird species.